The guys over at Low Cost USA, we're doing some work on the back end of the car here, installing the clutch, push pull rods, bell cranks, and mount. What the reason behind all this is the clutch used to be mounted, the slave cylinder here used to be mounted on an angle, and used to pull that spherical bearing upwards. Problem is the master cylinder for the clutch is way up in the front and it's at a lower elevation. In theory, I tried to use a residual pressure valve near the master cylinder to keep fluid high in the system. Unfortunately, that wasn't enough, and I had some drain back over time. I thought this was going to be quite annoying, so elected to just redesign the system, which basically places the slave cylinder as low as possible on the chassis, and it's going to sit in this bracket here, which is going to get riveted up on the lower cross member there, and the slave cylinder will actuate this bell crank via a pull rod up on the bench there, which I'm not showing at this point, and it's going to pull that actuator arm the correct length via this bell crank. Seems somewhat complex, but unfortunately the cable system on the FZ1 engine would not have cut it, so this is my solution, somewhat of a hybrid between a mechanical linkage and a hydraulic linkage to the hydraulic system rather, to actuate the clutch mechanism. Anyways, thanks for watching. Okay guys, there's the final product. The mounts are all riveted in, and the bell crank is in position with all the fasteners tightened up. As you can see here, everything's pretty solid. Less a little bit of in and out slop on the bell crank. A shim or a washer will solve that. I don't have any 3/8 thin washers left, so we'll have to order some more hardware from Aircraft Spruce. As you can see here, the play is pretty minimal throughout the whole system. I hope it stays that way, and we'll do a system bleed here, and we'll show how it all works. Thanks for watching.